Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Dr. Suzie Carmack, and this is the traffic light method, focused on in my new book, Yoga for One. Today we're going to be practicing boat pose, and I'll be showing you how you can use my traffic light method to practice in the red zone with a chair, yellow zone with blocks, and green zone with the mat. In the red zone, we'll start seated on the chair, using the chair for support, holding onto it comfortably as we open one leg at a time. Then we'll work towards not holding onto the chair, choosing to lengthen one leg at a time, keeping our spine neutral and our body evenly distributed on the chair seat. If it's available to get to the floor, we'll work towards finding a long spine even as our legs are fully extended. This is going to ask a lot of our low back and hamstring flexibility. We can also choose to support our boat with our arms behind us and our feet in front of us on the chair, taking one leg at a time to a long, unbent knee. This is going to challenge us with both flexibility and with strength. To try the yellow zone, we'll remove the chair and start working with blocks, first with our arm support as we did in the red zone. But here we're working towards creating a V shape from our torso to our thighs. Then we'll see how we do without the arms, placing blocks either between the knees, the ankles, or possibly both. As we get more comfortable, we can choose to add the flexibility challenge of lengthening the legs with one block or two. We can hold on to the legs as we try this and work on engaging our inner thighs and our pelvic floor, working towards a full V shape. In the green zone, we'll once again begin with arm support and see how we do with lengthening one leg at a time to find our low back and hamstring flexibility. Mula Bandha is important here as we engage our inner thighs and our pelvic floor. Over time, we'll be able to lengthen both legs together and choose to let go of the legs using our core strength. And there you have it, boat pose, in my new book, Yoga for One. I hope you'll join me for this entire traffic light method series, and also check out the book to learn more about how you can co-create yoga programs for yourself and for your clients. For now, I wish you well. Namaste.